What's up guys? Today we are going to the Treehouse Hideaway, which is one of our top 10 items on our list. Very excited, been waiting to go to this place for ages. It looks like the coolest treehouse in the world. And we've got a guy coming to pick us up because there's no other way of getting there, unfortunately. We've got about 4 days to get out of Thailand before we get in trouble. So we're hoping we can get this done and then somehow get over to Laos. Yeah, fingers crossed. So our bags are so big that every time we put them on, we've got to like put them on a surface, sit down, strap them on, and then stand up. It's super light. What are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing? I'm packing my backpack.
Oh, someone's a bit touchy this morning. Jeez. You see what I have to deal with? Honestly, it's ridiculous.
What you have to deal with. Oops. Got it.
That's very important.
Yeah.
It's the first time you've forgotten your phone.
I know, normally it's you.
I know. That's so good. Cool. Hi. Oh wow. This is heaven, Becca. This is actually the best place I think I've ever stayed in my entire life.
Amazing, like the river's literally just there, you can see it.
Oh wow, what a view.
I hope a storm doesn't come.
Well done.
Wow. Best room.
Yeah, I know. The honeymoon suite. So we have just arrived at Treehouse Hideaway and it's amazing. We are just gonna chuck our stuff down and go and check it out. But yeah, we got the most, yeah, we're gonna get some lunch, but this is like the most amazing view, the most amazing room. It's just like nuts. I'm just completely in the middle of the jungle. Yeah. It's so cool. This is our bed. Actually quite a nice bed. Yeah, like now. It's in my red bag.
Red
bag, yeah. Lemon.
Oh, lemon. Oh.
Wow. Yeah.
Primary school. We have only one school in this village. Primary from level 1 to level 6. When we harvest the coffee and we soak in the water. That's good, yeah.
Oh, this is going to be interesting.
Yes. Many guests drink coffee but never eat coffee.
You taste it, it doesn't taste like coffee.
It's white.
Why we roast it?
Ah, yeah. Okay, yeah.
We dry it before and dry it and we
You have
roast
it?
it with the
I ate all of
veggie
it.
and then it's black.
So that's the bean then.
We harvest all coffee
Oh, weird.
about December.
That's nice.
On December.
Possible to buy honey? Somewhere here from...
Yes.
Yeah, it's possible.
That's amazing.
That's huge.
Can you imagine climbing up that?
Nope. Okay.
I don't see that again if you like.
Yeah, concentrate on this bit.
Yeah.
Up to the...
Yeah, we're going there.
Not down like this.
How the hell are we going to climb that?
I need like this for football, you know, these spikes.
Yeah. Yeah.
These studs. Yeah,
Yeah.
studs. Yeah, it doesn't do. Well, how do we go? And it takes on the building.
Oh yeah, it
Yeah.
smells really good.
Light smell. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, big spider web on me. Please tell me there's no spider on me.
Well, I can't see one.
Okay, well, there.
I'm trying to think of the Jurassic Park theme tune, but I can only think of Game of Thrones for some
Do,
reason.
do, 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 do.
Root from small, bigger and bigger.
Okay.
Wrap around this tree. It's dead already.
The tree's dead. The whole thing's dead.
Yeah,
Crazy.
that wouldn't be allowed in the UK.
What? Trees killing trees?
Sam would be like, right, we've got to chop it all down. Okay, do you want to take this before I fall over and smash it? I'm falling over.
Oh, yeah, okay. Right. We're going to try and do this.
Yeah, I'm going to fall.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Just use the stick.
I'm going to fall again.
Yeah, you are.
Luckily, I've got a waterproof bag.
I might be too heavy for this. Oh. Crazy.
So, you can't walk quickly because it's all stone, so be careful.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow. That was epic. It's like super clean up there as well.